Hi, I'm Libby. This is my associate Levi. Yes, we decided, what is this night? Heck. It is heck out here, folks. But my good friend Levi reminded us to look on the bright side, like the song says. What are the reasons we are looking on the bright side tonight?
Drought and tomorrow snow day.
Fingers crossed, folks. Fingers crossed. So we have to go out in the blizzard so our family doesn't starve.
This is still stunts worthy.
Oh yeah, this should be still stunts worthy, huh?
You know this is on camera, right?
Yeah. Catch us on Still Stunts, and as always, remember to
Don't like and subscribe. Just kidding, like and subscribe too.